Right. And Payal, I'm coming to you. You've been tracking also the developments as far as the police investigations are considered, Payal. Now, there is a timeline set. There is a deadline sort of set for Delhi Police to now file the status report. This is very crucial to the entire investigation. What more can you share on these lines?
Well, of course, yes, the Delhi Police sat quiet and sat, down on the facts that the botch-up was done for about 3.5 years. Justice still being awaited, but they've not been even given 3.5 days to sort of file in their status report. So they are required to file in the status report in 3 days' time, effective yesterday. That means that they'll have to file the status report at least by Monday. And the case then comes up for hearing the week after that on the 1st of August. Clearly, what was really missing? Were there loopholes that the Delhi Police did not plug? Was that being done out of some intent? Was there some political pressure on them? All of these questions have to be answered. Where is the investigation reached as far as this is concerned? It's been 3.5 years. After 9 months of the Delhi Police decided to find out that they do not know where Sunanda Pushkar's bag is. They do not know where her clothes are. After close to a year's time, they decide that yes, an FIR needs to be filed in the issue. Close to a year's time, they realized that one of the main suspects in the case, Shashi Tharoor, he had to be investigated. So these are absolutely, lackluster. It's completely lackluster approach by the Delhi Police. That's one of the reasons that court was very stern on them yesterday while the court was hearing the arguments of Dr. Subramaniam Swamy, clearly telling them to come up with the details in about 3 days. So that copy will be in fact put in before court, and that's one of the reasons that the commissioner probably did not share any details with us, because he has to give in, or rather his team has to give in that report to the court in 3 days' time. A copy of that will also be served to Dr. Subramaniam Swamy, so he will also be able to see what exactly is the investigating status, what has the Delhi Police done, why was there no looking into the CCTV footage. Will you believe it or not, for 10 days, in between, before and after the murder, the CCTV footage of the hotel had gone missing. That is the most criminating evidence which is really being off. So, many things being spoken about, pressure building up gradually. And now that the court has decided that enough time has been wasted and justice has not been given to someone who had the right to live. What is the argument? The argument is that why should a person not be given a right to live? Why should those people who had in fact intent towards harming her and eventually succeeded in doing that, whoever the person is, we're not making any allegations, but they have to be brought to book.
Yes, Payal. Yes, Payal. I'm going again to Shweta, who managed to speak with the Delhi Police Commissioner, Shweta. Now, as far as this status report is considered, there's going to be obviously a lot of relooking, although a lot of water has passed under the bridge. It's been 3 years, and we know that the police then was under distress. This is what Mr. Subramanian Swamy has been reiterating time and again. Now the onus shifts completely to the status report. Delhi Police under pressure, but now they cannot afford to ignore those vital parameters like pointed out by Payal, CCTV footage, etc. Also the mobile data of Sunanda Pushkar.
Well, absolutely, Sakal. There is immense pressure, as we can see, on Delhi Police right now, because as Payal was pointing out to you, there have been a lot of evidences that have been misplaced. CCTV footage being one, the crime scene bedsheet being another, and including the handset device or the mobile phone of Sunanda Pushkar. A number of evidences which were misplaced, which were not given to forensics on time. There was an inordinate delay in passing of the crucial evidences to forensics. So this entire botch-up that police itself has somehow, categorically spoken about, the file notings that we have accessed, they have accepted that there was a botch-up. This entire 2.5 years of sequence will now have to be put together in one status report. So it's going to be a very, very difficult task for the police there. It's under a lot of pressure. 3 days' time, is a very short window that the Supreme High Court has given to the police department. So they will have to put together the entire investigation they have done in last 2.5 years to 3 years, and what exactly were the points that they missed. And this will also be crucial because it will throw light on what actually happened in the Sunanda Pushkar murder case, a case that has been widely talked about, but the intricacies of which have not come out because police has still now avoided the questions and done so, in a very blatant manner. So this report would be a very important, crucial piece which will throw light on how the investigation will pan forward going from here.